Imagine a world where the sun never sets, a place where the concept of time as we know it ceases to exist. Days and nights, as we experience them, would be a thing of the past. Picture a planet bathed in perpetual daylight on one side and everlasting darkness on the other. This stark contrast would create two extreme environments, each with its own set of challenges and mysteries. This is Earth without its spin, a chilling scenario with consequences far beyond a mere change of scenery. The balance of ecosystems would be thrown into chaos, and the delicate dance of life would be disrupted. Our planet's rotation is more than just a cosmic curiosity. It's the very foundation of life as we know it. The spin of the Earth regulates our climate, drives ocean currents, and even influences the behavior of living organisms. Without Earth's spin, our world would be a vastly different place. The familiar cycles of day turning into night would vanish, leaving one half of the planet in unending sunlight and the other in perpetual darkness. We would say goodbye to the familiar rhythm of day and night, a rhythm that has shaped human culture, behavior, and biology for millennia. Our sleep patterns, work schedules, and even our mental health would be profoundly affected. The ebb and flow of tides, driven by the gravitational pull of the moon and the rotation of the Earth, would cease. Coastal ecosystems that depend on these tidal movements would face unprecedented challenges. And even the protective embrace of our magnetic field, which shields us from harmful solar radiation, would be compromised. The magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron within the Earth's core, a process influenced by the planet's rotation. The consequences would be devastating, reshaping our planet and jeopardizing the very existence of life itself. Natural disasters would become more frequent, climates would become more extreme, and the survival of countless species, including humans, would be at risk. Our planet is in constant motion. Every second, every minute, Earth is tirelessly spinning on its axis, a dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. We're spinning, like a top, at an astonishing speed of roughly 1,000 miles per hour. This speed is measured at the equator, where the circumference of the Earth is the greatest. This may sound incredibly fast, but because of Earth's massive size, we barely feel a thing. The vastness of our planet means that this rapid rotation is imperceptible to us in our daily lives. This spin is crucial for life. It creates the cycle of day and night, which is essential for the survival of countless species. Plants rely on this cycle for photosynthesis, and animals, including humans, depend on it for their circadian rhythms. It's why we have day and night, which regulates our planet's temperature and allows for the sleep-wake cycles of living organisms. Without this rotation, our world would be a very different place, with extreme temperatures and disrupted ecosystems. But what if this rotation suddenly stopped? Imagine the unimaginable, a world where the Earth ceases to spin. What if, in a cosmic instant, the Earth's spin came to a screeching halt? The immediate effects would be catastrophic, with everything on the surface experiencing a sudden jolt. The consequences would be nothing short of catastrophic. Massive earthquakes would shake the ground. Tsunamis would ravage coastlines, and the atmosphere would be thrown into chaos, unleashing violent storms and winds. From the immediate and violent effects to the long-term and devastating changes to our environment, a stationary Earth is a recipe for global disaster. The delicate balance that sustains life would be shattered, leading to a world unrecognizable from the one we know today. The moment Earth stopped spinning, we'd feel it. Imagine a sudden jolt, a cosmic break slamming down on our planet. Everything that wasn't firmly rooted to the ground would be flung eastward at incredible speeds. Buildings would crumble, trees would be uprooted, and oceans would surge inland in colossal tsunamis. The initial chaos would be just the beginning. The atmosphere, still spinning at its original speed, would rage across the planet in unimaginable winds. These winds, far stronger than any hurricane ever recorded, would level mountains, strip the land bare, and leave a trail of unimaginable destruction in their wake. Imagine winds so powerful they could scour the surface of the Earth. These winds, unleashed by the sudden stop of our planet's rotation, would circle the globe at supersonic speeds. Everything in their path would be obliterated, leaving behind a barren and desolate landscape. The very air we breathe would become a weapon, a force of unimaginable destruction. Dust and debris would choke the skies, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into a perpetual twilight. The atmosphere itself, once a source of life, would become a hostile and unforgiving environment. The oceans, no longer held in place by the centrifugal force of Earth's rotation, would surge towards the poles. Imagine colossal walls of water, miles high, engulfing entire continents. Coastal cities would vanish beneath the waves in an instant. The redistribution of water would redraw the map of our planet. Two vast oceans would form, one around each pole, separated by a single unbroken continent encircling the equator. The Earth, once a vibrant tapestry of land and water, would be transformed into a world of extremes. Without Earth's spin, one side of our planet would face the sun indefinitely, while the other would be shrouded in perpetual darkness. The side facing the sun would bake in relentless heat, while the dark side would freeze in unimaginable cold. This extreme temperature difference would create unimaginable storms. Super hurricanes, fueled by the intense heat and pressure differences, would rage across the planet, further devastating the already ravaged landscape. The delicate balance of life, dependent on the regular cycle of day and night, would be shattered beyond repair. Earth's rotation generates a magnetic field that acts as a shield against harmful solar radiation. Without this shield, we would be bombarded by charged particles from the sun, jeopardizing all life on Earth. This radiation would strip away our atmosphere, leaving us exposed to the harsh realities of space. The ozone layer, our protection against ultraviolet radiation, would be destroyed, making it impossible for life to survive on the surface. The scenario of Earth suddenly stopping its rotation is highly unlikely. The forces required to halt such a massive object are astronomical and beyond anything we can imagine. It would be like trying to stop a speeding train with your bare hands. However, this thought experiment serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that governs our planet and the crucial role Earth's rotation plays in our existence. It underscores the importance of understanding and appreciating the forces that shape our world. Earth's rotation is a fundamental aspect of our planet's existence. This rotation, which takes approximately 24 hours to complete, is responsible for the cycle of day and night that we experience. Without this constant spinning, our world would be a very different place, with drastic changes in temperature and weather patterns. It's a dance that has been going on for billions of years, shaping our world and making life as we know it possible. Over these eons, the rotation of Earth has influenced everything from the formation of continents to the evolution of life itself. The rhythmic turning of our planet has set the stage for the development of ecosystems and the biodiversity we see today. The consequences of this dance suddenly ending would be devastating, transforming our planet into an alien and inhospitable world. Imagine a world where one side is perpetually scorched by the sun, while the other is frozen in eternal darkness. The delicate balance that allows life to thrive would be shattered, leading to catastrophic changes in our environment. While the scenario of Earth stopping its spin is highly improbable, it serves as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's systems and the importance of respecting the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Every aspect of our environment, from the air we breathe to the water we drink, is part of a complex web of interactions that depend on the Earth's rotation. It's a cosmic ballet we must never take for granted. The continuous rotation of our planet is a testament to the intricate and beautiful mechanisms that govern our universe. As we gaze up at the stars, let us remember the dance of our planet and the fragile equilibrium that makes our existence possible.